Good day, Orteans. Your lecturer for today is Professor Allan Santos, top 5 in the March 2012 Criminology's licensure examination. Don't forget to subscribe and press the bell button to receive the latest updates. Take it away, Allan.
Number 26. Okay? So number 26 na tayo. What is the barrier established to protect the surroundings of installation? So what is your answer? Okay? To protect the what is the barrier established, no? To protect the surrounding of an installation. Okay? So what is the answer for this one? So the question is tricky, no? Tricky. Okay, the question is tricky. So kasi ang nakalagay diyan, the surroundings of the installation. Okay? Ibig sabihin, yung nakapaligid sa instalasyon, paano mo mapoprotektahan. Pag gumamit ka ng energy barrier, ang mapoprotektahan mo is yung within the installation kasi hindi makakapasok sa installation mo yung intruder. Ganon din sa structure. So, you will choose between alpha and bravo. Alpha and bravo. So, the best answer is human. Kasi kung aso ang pinakawalan mo sa surroundings mo, no, aside from the fact very dangerous sa mga dumadaan, no, at makakapanakit ng hindi naman intruder, is baka mawala pati yung dog. Okay? Makuha ng mga lasing. I'm just joking. No, love na love natin yung mga hayop. Okay? Minsan kahit hayop na siya, love pa rin natin. Okay. So let us now proceed to the answer, guys, is human barrier, kasi pwede sila mag-patrol doon. Human barrier, alpha. Saka yung vision nila, di ba? So that is also kung bakit sila ito ang tamang sagot. The answer is alpha. Guys, before we go to the other topic, I want to touch on about the barrier nga rito. Di ba? The barrier is the first line of defense. Tandaan nyo. No? The first line of defense is the barrier. Okay? Ito na yung either solid fence, full view fence, wire fences, okay? Like chain link, concertina, tunnel wire. So those are the first line of defense. Then, the second line of defense, I want you to take note, isulat nyo. Ito yung walls, doors, roofs, grills sa loob ng installation. No, para kang si Tiagong akyat. Inakyat mo yung pader. That is the first line of defense. Nakaakyat ka nga sa pader, no? Pero pagdating mo sa loob, meron pang wall, roof, grills, doors. Okay, additional 'yan, no? Na kailangan mong ma-intrude or ma-infiltrate. So that is the second line defense. Sabihin na natin, no, na ikaw ay magaling sa picklock o ikaw ay magaling na Peterman. Okay, di ba? Ano yung Peterman? Okay, lock pickers, no, safe crackers. Okay, can able to pick the lock, no, na para mabuksan yung padlock. Peterman ka, nabuksan mo. Okay. Pagdating mo sa loob, meron pang third line of defense. Nandito na yung bolt, no? Mahirap i-picklock ang bolt. Mahirap buksan. Yung safe kaya pa but yung bolt is very difficult. Merong yung mga protective cabinet natin as third line of defense. The bolt, the safe, the file room, okay, and the alarm system. So, Yon ang the three line of defenses, no, sa physical security. The first line of defense, the second line of defense, and the third line of defense. Ngayon guys, tandaan, I want to touch this topic. Ano ang inside perimeter at ano ang outside perimeter? In simpler sense, kasi if you will going to read the book, it will be, medyo confusing. Para maintindihan nyo, when you say outside perimeter, it is not part of the installation. Hindi na siya parte. It is the surrounding of the installation, outside perimeter. So, ito yung labas, no, immediate na labas, no, ng iyong installation. But when you say about inside perimeter, of course the opposite, no, it is the area within your installation adjacent, no, okay, to the matters or areas to be protected. Okay, ito na yung lugar doon. So, please remember that. Okay, let us now proceed to another item. Okay. Protection of classified documents, matters concerning their preparation, classification, reproduction, handling, transmission, disposal, and destruction. So all of these terminologies pertain to one. What is the answer in number 27? Okay, meron bang sasagot sa number 27? Okay. So guys, hindi siya, ang pinakamalayong sagot dito is organizational security. Medyo malayo na yun guys, no? Pag itong sagot natin, need talaga nating magbasa pa. So not organizational security. It's not the answer. Next, hindi sagot, no, ang letter B, operational security, because when you say about operational security, it is the security of security pertaining to the process, pertaining to the formula, patents, okay, of a certain company, so that it will not give an advantage to its competitor. Okay, yun yung no? Yun yung tinatawag nating operational security. So, ang sagot dito is document security. Okay, tama si Alex, Mark, and Irene. You are all correct. Doon pa lang disposal, destruction. 'Di ba? In your records personnel management, diniscuss yan the life cycle of records, 'di ba? From creation, maintenance, and disposal. Let us now proceed to number 29. Which of the following statement is false? Okay, is false. Let us analyze. Letter A, ano yung hindi totoo? Classified information must not be discussed with friends and members of the family. Okay? Just like what I have said 2 days ago or 1 day ago, 1 day ago, sa intelligence, we have what you call yung compartmentation, di ba? Compartmentation o yung tinatawag na need to know basis. Need to know basis. So, itong na to, no, ay hindi mo dapat i-disclose sa iyong mga family members ang operation or itong classified information na to. Letter B. Classified information should be known only by one person. Letter C, cabinets with classified documents must be secured with padlocks and security measure at all times. And letter D, all classified documents must be safeguarded. So the nearest answer is letter B, guys. Classified information should be known only by one person. Hindi yan, no? Yan ay false. Bakit? Although meron tayong compartmentation, pero ang classified information ay kahit papano may ibang taong nakakaalam na may kinalaman sa information na yan. Like yung pinakamataas, okay, like yung tao na concerned. So hindi lang isang tao ang involved sa classified information. So yun lang yung false. The answer in this one is letter B. Okay guys, break muna tayo.
If you want to learn more from him, take our Road to 1 Million challenge. If this channel hits 1 million subscribers, we will release the rest of his lectures. Or you can watch the rest of his lectures now by enrolling in Ortea Criminology Review. Just message us on our Facebook account for more details. See you soon, Orteans!